In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password on Notion. By the end, you'll be able to sign into Notion with a password in addition to your Google login, which is helpful if you ever need to access your account without using Google or prefer a traditional email and password workflow. First, open your browser and head to Notion.com. On the home page, look toward the top right and choose Login. This takes you to the Sign In page. If you originally created your Notion account with Google, click the Google option to continue. Select the Google account you use for Notion and complete the sign-in. If you're already signed in to that Google account in your browser, this should be just a couple of clicks. Once Notion opens, find the workspace switcher near the top left of the window. It's the drop-down next to your workspace name. Click that drop-down, then choose Settings. In some layouts, it may say Settings and Members. That's the right place. Inside Settings, click your name to open your personal account details. This is where you manage your profile and security options. Now, look for the option that says Add Password. Click it to begin creating a password for your Notion account. You'll see two fields, one to enter a new password and another to confirm it. Type your new password in the first box, then retype the exact same password in the confirmation box. For the best security, choose something long and unique. Think a passphrase of several random words or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you don't use anywhere else. A password manager can help you generate and store a strong one so you don't have to memorize it. When both fields match and meet Notion's requirements, click Set a Password to save it. If you see an error that the passwords don't match or the password is too weak, clear the fields and try again, making sure caps lock isn't on and there are no extra spaces. After it's saved, your account now supports logging in with your email and this new password, in addition to signing in with Google. This doesn't remove your Google access. It simply gives you another secure way to get in. That's it. You've added a password to your Notion account. Keep it somewhere safe and consider turning on additional security features in your account settings for even stronger protection. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you set yours up.